I just pulled this thing out of a freaking barn. But all I did was rinse it off before like the soft water so it doesn't leave any water spots, just to get all the dust off. And but I never actually took like a wash mitt to it. So I'm gonna be foaming it, and then I'm gonna just do a full decontamination of the tailgate, and that way I can see how it comes out. Later on I'll do the body. But yeah, for now I'll just start with this. I have my GoPro on, and I also have my other camera to videotape this, so hopefully this works out. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to take a foam cannon to this. I just want to take a video real quick from Instagram. But taking a foam cannon to this, it's Chemical Guys foamer, and then it's the Honeydew foam. So. So a lot of bleeding, of course. I mean, if you'll see it in the video, but definitely, I wish it would look wet like this all the time. I really cannot wait to do everything. I wish I could. I don't know. I really wish it would just stay like this because it looks really freaking nice. But I know once the paint, once it dries, it's it's gonna look dull again. But definitely cannot wait for it to look like this. Seriously.